Hello, I'm Shiraz Hussain, and in this video I'm going to tell you that Apple is going to launch iPhone SE 2022. You know, Apple launched its SE 2020 in 2020. Now it is going to launch SE 2022. So there are two rumors, or we can say the reports for the iPhone SE 2022. One report is that the iPhone SE 2022 will start at $300, which is $100, or we can say $99 less than the predecessor iPhone SE 2020. If this is true, then it will be a great price for the iPhone SE 2022, and many people will buy it because it is very affordable price for this phone. Now, the launch date, according to the reports, is March 8. You will have to wait till March 8 to see whether the reports are true or not. On the other hand, another analyst, Daniel Ives, suggested that the Apple will stick to $400 base price. But it is not correct, or we can say it is not accurate. The predictions tell that it will be less $99. So we will have to wait until March 8 to see whether iPhone SE 2022 is going to be start at $300 or not. So the launching date for the iPhone SE 22 is the March 8, and it will have an improved camera A15 Bionic chip, and which is also present in the iPhone 13 line. So, and reports also show that it will support 5G, and some people call it iPhone SE Plus.